Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market.
Today, we're diving into a must-have for any small business owner, crafter, or organizer: the Premium Label Supply Matte White Water Bottle Stickers. These water bottle stickers are not just your average labels. They're the best blank water bottle labels available, and I'm about to tell you why. First off, let's talk versatility. These labels come in a convenient size of 8 inches by 2 inches, making them perfect for a wide range of applications. Whether you're labeling water bottles for events, creating wraparound address labels, or organizing your pantry, these stickers have you covered. Now, what sets these labels apart is their quality. Made with a strong general-purpose permanent adhesive, these stickers ensure your labels stay put, whether on plastic, glass, or paper. Plus, they're compatible with both laser and inkjet printers, so you can customize them to your heart's content. And let's talk about professionalism. Nobody wants smudged labels ruining their carefully crafted packaging. With Premium Label Supply, you can say goodbye to ink smears. These bright white labels are smudge-proof, giving your products or mailings that polished, professional look every time. And here's something to feel good about: these labels are proudly made in the USA. Premium Label Supply ensures that not only are their products top-notch, but they're also affordably priced to meet your home, office, and shipping needs. So there you have it, folks. The Premium Label Supply Matte White Water Bottle Stickers are the ultimate choice for anyone in need of high-quality, versatile labels. Whether you're a small business owner, a DIY enthusiast, or just someone who loves to stay organized, these labels are sure to impress. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, happy labeling!